special sample superstore subset.xlsx using order sheet. Find the quantity sold for product with maximum sales in year 2012 for consumer segment. By reading the question, following things come into our mind, that this question is asking us to find the quantity sold for a product. So we need to find the product with the maximum sales, and at the same time we have to find the quantity for the product which has been sold maximum in year 2012 for the consumer segment. It seems a quite easy question. Let's go to the solution. Data is already loaded. Now let's go here. We need to find the product name, and we need to find the product with the maximum sales. So let's find the sales, put it here, and let's put it in the descending order. Enable the labels, and the year they have mentioned for 2012. Let's put the year 2012. Okay, and they have asked to use it for the consumer segment. Segment is consumer. Let's find the consumer segment. Another thing which they said, they want to find the quantity against this. This is the product which is having the highest sales. Let's now find the quantity ordered. If we put the quantity here along with this, it's 115, and if we enable the sales as well along with this, so Bradford CR 4500 series is the product which is having the highest sales, and the quantity ordered against highest sales is 115. So this is the required answer for this question. Thank you very much.